Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda. If you're new here, please feel at home. If you're returning subscriber, you are the best. What do we have today? We are going to make these simple and nice cookies. They are very simple, very simple. First, what do we have? We are going to start with butter. That is 100 grams of butter. We mix it with half cup of icing sugar. If you don't have icing sugar, it's okay. You can use granulated sugar. These cookies, they are very simple. Within 30 minutes, they are done. Half cup, one yolk. Mix it very well. Then 1 spoon of powdered milk and 1 spoon of cornstarch, half spoon of vanilla powder. If you don't have vanilla powder, you can use vanilla liquid. Please don't forget to subscribe. Then 1 cup of what? Of flour. Via the shape, I'll not tell you what to use. You can use anything you want. Sky is the limit. Please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Please share this video. If you're saying that Angela, what she's doing, it's adding value and you want to say thank you, please press in that thanks button. Leave a comment so that I will be able to answer. I love you so much. After making a shape, I'm going to bake them 170 for 20 minutes. They will be done. After 20 minutes, they were out. They were very nice. My madam, she loved them so much. To an extent, she told them to make them today, but I'm not feeling good. So, thank you for watching. Please share this video. I love you so much. You are the best.